With all the stuff we have going on these days, it seems that most of us are looking for easy ways to get great meals on the table without spending all day in the kitchen. That's why today's safer to use pressure cookers and Instapots are so popular. You see, when food cooks under pressure, it cooks quickly and is infused with lots of flavor. So let's start by placing a good-sized pork shoulder that we've seasoned on a rack inside our pressure cooker. We add some water, lock the cover, and let it come to pressure. Then we let it simmer for a little over an hour, which is about a third of the time it normally takes. Once it's done and the pressure releases, we carefully take out our tender as could be pork and shred it with a couple of forks. We put it back in the pot, add a bit of barbecue sauce and pineapple tidbits. When it's heated through, it's done. Our favorite way to serve this is on slider rolls. And whether you put these out for dinner or during a game at halftime, everyone will be all smiles. To get the recipe for our tropical pulled pork sliders, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty tropical way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.